Perfect, 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 perfect.
What's up, everyone? This is Bill with Android related stuff. Today I got a video for you guys. If you remember a while back, we had a company out there called Cruzerlite, and they had all kinds of phone cases. They had at one point they had some plushies and t-shirts, beanies, scarves. They made tablet cases as well. They were very well known. I think one of their most popular ones is the Cruzerlite Circuit, which I have here. This is for the Nexus 9, and then this one's for the Galaxy S8. And they are making a comeback. They're going to be releasing the Cruzerlite Circuit cases and these Android cases that they had back in the day, and that were so popular. Due to some unfortunate events, the company had to close down for a bit and take a break. But they are coming back, and their first case is going to be for the Galaxy S10. That is what they're shooting for. Okay, so right now they do have some generic cases on Amazon, so you can look up Cruzerlite on Amazon. I'll link some links in the description below the video. And I'm going to be giving all this away. Okay, now these are cases I did reviews on back in the day, and I still have them. Nexus 9 and Galaxy S8. I know they're older devices. I just wanted to use them to show off. So I will let you get a closer look at these cases here. And their packaging was always really nice. They're the only ones that did this for this style of packaging for a phone case. So we'll let you get a look at that stuff. And I mean, if you have the Nexus 9 laying around, these are brand new. If you have the Nexus 9 laying around or Galaxy S8, I'll be giving those away too. I just happen to have them sitting around so I can show them off in this video. But again, all this stuff on the table is going to be given away. You see I'm wearing a Cruzerlite shirt. They do have their little beanie here. The little Android beanie. It matches that scarf. Okay, so I will be giving all this stuff away. So just make sure you leave a comment in the link in the description below the video. Leave some comments down there. Let me know what you guys think of Cruzerlite. It was always one of my favorite phone case companies. I always had a Cruzerlite case on my phone. I was always doing reviews for these guys. If you know me, I'm always up to date on the newest technology out. So, I mean, I usually have the newest phone out. And Cruzerlite was always really good about getting me a handful of cases to do reviews on. Okay, so watch out for Cruzerlite in the upcoming months here. They will have, like I said, they'll be staying up to date with these newer cases, and they will have some really amazing designs. They're the only ones out there that I know of that do the Android logo on their cases. Okay, so I'll let you take a look at everything here. And these phone cases up a little more close and personal. And make sure you hit the subscribe button. Again, leave a comment down below. Go follow me on Instagram and Twitter. Links are in the description. Thanks for watching. You guys have a good day. Peace.